Precision Husky Corporation. Since 1964, a company quality-driven and service-oriented. Precision Husky, engineers and manufacturers of world-class equipment for chip mills, sawmills, wood yards, log loading and in-wood debarking and chipping, and wood waste grinding. This sawmill in the southeastern United States is operated by the owner you will meet later. He has selected Precision Husky equipment wherever applicable to produce over 20 million board feet a year from hardwood logs. This pedestal mount Husky Brute Knuckle Boom XL235 is loading the 3-strand log deck, which conveys the logs to the Precision Rosser head debarker. You will see the debarking process from several angles. As the head retracts on either end after debarking, the log is kicked to the feeding deck. The barn sweep conveyor collects the bark underneath the debarker and carries it to an outside collection pile. The chain guard has been removed to see it operate. The logs continue on the roll case conveyor for additional processing. Slabs and other waste from the precision vibrating table are fed to the precision vibrating conveyor, where the sawdust is removed through the screening section in the vibrating conveyor and moves the scrap material to the 58-inch 6-knife chipper. The chips are carried to the precision 7-foot by 7-foot screen, which separates the chips, fines, and overs. The chips are removed by blower to a truck loadout system. The overs are returned to the chipper via the vibrating conveyor. Fines are fed to the incline conveyor hopper, where the horizontal truck loadout conveyor distributes the fines to the trailer. The conveyor evenly distributes and levels the load. Precision knife grinders with anti-friction bearings and continuous circular grinding work smoothly, ensuring a good sharp edge. Now, let's listen to the mill owner who has bought 27 Precision Husky components in the last 15 years.
We produce approximately 20 million feet, board feet of hardwood per year, and then around 1 million or 2 million feet of pine, which we intend to increase the pine production. But of course, the hardwood will stay basically the same. We sell to fine furniture manufacturers. We sell to people that make drumsticks for the music industry. We sell to Kentucky and the bluegrass country for fencing, and our markets are real varied. We make anything from quality lumber to the pallet stock, and of course we have our own in-house molding and hardwood flooring and all that related also. I think the quality is consistent all the way through, and of course we still, as you noticed there, we still have the whole tree chipper we bought there, 83, 84, and it's still running practically every day, and so it's chipped 1 million ton of chips. And of course we find that quality, not only with the vibrators, but the simpler things and the more complex things, really. The quality of precision has stayed consistent, and you're always making improvements, and if anything, they've become better over the years.